the files are related to the this project. This is the dataset files where we have the data, where we have trained the models. This is the detection models. We have made this using this file. This is the Python files, and this is the bank-detail.cc files where we are storing the all the data of the users like username, account number, name, bank, password, and all the other things in account numbers. These are the two extra files that we have used for the train the models. This is the main files of this project, and all the things are used. All the things are we have made in this project are in a Python language. Now I'm just running this project. After running this project, it will show you look like this. The project demonstration will look like this. So we have to start the transition or quit. So I just select the start the transition. So first we have two option. One is for enroll, one is for the withdraw money. So as a new user, first we need to enroll the first. Now I just need to enter the name, and then I need to enter the password. I just entered the password, and then we have two options. One is for the back and one is for the quit. So I just select the next. After selecting the next, we need to uh, we need to capture our face so that it will verify the real user. So it in this project we have a two authentication. One is for the password, and the second one is for the face detections. By clicking the capturing buttons, the below image, we need to capture the 5 images so that it will automatically detect our face when uh, we just log in the second time. So I just capture the image first. So you just capture my first image. I just select this C. You can see the capturing one, capturing two. Okay, now it has been captured and it is training the images. Here you can see the image trained. Now face ID successfully registered. We have successfully registered our ID. So we can check here. This is our unique ID. This is the account number. This is our name. This is the bank name. You can change this name as if you want to change. This is the account name, and currently we have only zero amount account balance. So now I just withdraw money. Now we, before login in this, first we need to capture our face. Means we need to verify that we are the real user. So it is mentioned that by clicking the verify user ID button, facial recognition will begin. Each capture lasts 15 seconds. Move your face to the multiple direction during the capturing. If recognized, you will prompt to enter the password. If not recognized, it will 5 seconds, and it will have a two trails. Means we have a two trails. After three times, it will withdraw and it's not allow you. Currently, we don't use this one for the three attempts because this is just only for the college projects. It's not in real time. So we are not using this one. Means we have only three tails. This is not implement currently. Now I just starting the begin verification ID, verify ID. It will take 15 seconds. Now face ID detected. Now enter your password. Now if I enter the wrong password, it will automatically not open this. I just enter the wrong password. Now it's showing me the wrong password. So I need to enter the correct password. Okay, just a moment. Out of boundary, the real username and the password. We are not verified. Just a moment. I just restart again this project. So I just restart this code again and also added a new user. Like currently we have three users. One is for the Rishabh and another thing, and another two users for just for demo. Currently we have only the zero amounts, and these two users have the 2000 rupees, 20,000 rupees. So I just restart this again and run this code again. Okay, just a moment. One more thing, if sometime you will facing some error, so you just need to train the models again. This is the code for the train the model. So you just need to run this file again so that your model is get trained again for the data if sometime you facing any error in future. So currently we just facing one error for related to the model, so I just train the model again, and now this code is fixed. I just run this again, and just a moment. Just open the application. Now just I just withdraw the money. Just select this one and verify my users. Now it's verify me. Verifying. I just need to enter my password. What was my password? 1234 dot 0, and then verified. So now I have successfully logged in, and also my password is displaying here, stored password. If sometime if I just enter the wrong password, then it will show me my stored password here, so that you can log in. Just log in, and this is the dashboard where this transfer money, deposit, balance inquiry, and withdraw. If I just select the balance inquiry, currently I have only a zero amount, and my account number is this one, 67675 725. I just deposit money. You can check here. Currently, it's showing the zero. If I just add some amount like 10,000 rupees, and it automatically updated in my CSV file. You can check here. It's automatically updated in my CSV file. And if I just okay, I just need to transfer. If I just need to transfer, I just need to enter the account name, account number for the another user, and the amount I need to transfer. If I just need to withdraw some amount, just withdraw like 1,000 rupees. I need to withdraw 100 rupees. You can check here. It will automatically reduce the amount here. Just withdraw. You can check. Successfully withdraw. Please take your cash. And this is the one thing: deposit, withdraw, and transfer. For transferring the amount, I need a one another users, so that I can transfer. But currently I have only the one user, because for the another user I need a face, so that it will detect the face, and it will automatically add in another users. So I just need an one another user, one another person, so that I can log in to that users. So these all are the functions of these projects, like transferring, deposit, withdraw, and balance query. If I check the balance query, you can check here. Now I just log out, and this is all about this Indian banking systems using in face recognition based login from this. This is an advanced banking system project.